Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and I hope that all of you are having a very good morning today, because I want to share to you guys how I make my egg breakfast extra special every morning using this recipe. Let's start. I have here a 4 whole egg because this is where I'm getting my natural protein and calories, and I'm using butter, guys. It makes me feel not hungry for a very long period of time. Actually, French people do the same thing because it makes them feel the same way as well. And we have here bell pepper, the green one, and then the tomato where I'm getting my natural vitamin C. And I'm using onion as well on my scrambled egg. And there is this effect every time that you're eating onion, and I cannot explain that here because it's too parental guidance. If you want to know, just slide me a DM. I beat the egg together with the black ground pepper and salt. Fry them all together and wait for at least 1 minute before we stir it. Here it is, and we can ready to add our parsley. I'm adding parsley as well, guys. And now we can sprinkle our dried oregano. Guys, I'm using also oregano on my egg, on my scrambled egg. It's nice, it tastes good. And here you go, guys, I'm ready to eat. That is very simple as that. And I smelled the coffee, guys. It sparked my energy. It's actually good as a pre-workout. Well, I add 2 sliced bread. It's up to you guys. If you want rice, that's fine, that's okay. And here you go, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you do, please give us a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like these and more videos of me, you can just click the subscribe button and click the bell button for more notification. And yeah, you are all welcome as always. If you have any idea, suggestion, or request, you can just comment down below in my comment section, and I'm gonna read that. I want to talk to you there. I want to talk to all of you guys on the comment section down below. And yeah, I hope all of you have a very beautiful day today. Thank you and see you soon.